Okay guys, we got a problem. There's this thing. This absolutely horrendous thing that keeps lurking in the corners. I can't seem to shake it. No, it's not that. It's much, much worse. Okay, well, we still have a video to make, so I'm just gonna try and shake off this crippling fear of spiders. I mean, I'm not that scared of spiders, but you know, when I see one, I have a little jump. Rather than when I see a snake or a gecko, and I'm just like, oh, hey there. Like, I just want to be cool with spiders, you know? I'm curious what you guys think about spiders. Comment below what you think when you see a spider just chilling. So today we are making spider dance using sounds from spiders. And yes, I mean real sounds from real spiders. Spiders do make sounds. It's not super common, and usually it's only observed by accident. Check out the sound of a spider performing a mating ritual. You see, this spooter is absolutely floored that there's a hot babe in his presence. I'm so happy I don't have to do anything like that to pick up chicks. Also, these male spiders, they will do this dance and this ritual even when this female spider is dead or frozen. Because they're spiders and they're only interested in looks, and you know, that's not how humans roll. Probably one of the reasons why we don't get along so well. I'm not too sure what we're gonna do with those sounds, but hey, I can definitely grab a nice bass drum sound from this track. Listen to this banshee scream this spider gives off when this human tries to relocate it.
Mitchell, the huntsman whisperer.
That was him. Was it? Yep.
That is scary, but I suppose the spider is scared also. But it's creepy. I mean, I have nothing against spiders other than the ones that have bitten me while sleeping. Wait, maybe I do have something against spiders. I mean, they haven't caused me too much distress. Wait. Or maybe the distress they cause me is all in my head. Comment below if spiders cause you distress. Did you know that certain tarantulas actually make a hissing, rattling sort of noise when they are disturbed or threatened? Check this out, it's so cool. So I think what we're going to do with this sound is we're going to try and map it to the keyboard, but I'm unsure of how this is going to sound. How about we tackle the bass drum sound we got earlier and inspect it? Maybe we can try and boost some frequencies to give it a bit of a tonal sound. Oh, that's not bad. Let's make a jam out of this. Just try not to think about the fact that this sound came from a spooter slapping its butt to its abdomen in a creepy mating ritual sort of way. I mean, I guess it's beautiful in an odd way. You know, we also have this kind of spider. Why don't we make a little jam with this business? I'm thinking of some super off-meter polyrhythmic type groove. the thumbs up on this video if you're having a good time. I just don't understand spiders, you know, like what is their purpose? What's their deal? Why are they here? And why are they looking at me? Oh my, what is this? Sorry to interrupt this fascinating display of the wild bird-eating tarantula, but it seems only a small number of you watching are subscribed. Do make sure to double-check that you are subscribed. Thank you. Well, that was fun. I thought I might finally have a connection with the spooter, and I think I do understand them a little more. They're just like me in a way, wanting to grab a snack, hungry, weird at times. But I still think I'm going to keep my distance respectfully and understand that spiders don't need to be killed for no apparent reason. But I'm still probably going to do it because there is a nagging feeling in the back of my mind that it's totally going to sneak up on me in my sleep and poke me with its little fangs. And that's okay because I'm a human. Wow. That's pompous. At the end of the day, I know one thing's for sure, that as long as we're doing the spider dance, jamming out to a hot tune, then everything's A-okay with me. Got a lot of snacks up there, huh? He's got a lot of snacks up there. Right, people, so this is me. This is what I look like. I am a human, just like you. Look, I got a little friend. Alright, I just got out of the shower, getting ready for bed here, but I wanted to say thank you to all the people who bought the copper connectors. We've sold like almost 100 so far, and that's awesome. You guys are amazing. I've just been, with my girlfriend and I, we've just been like packing envelopes. Packing envelopes. Get one soon, because if you want it for the holidays to give as a gift, I just want it to get to you on time. So yeah, if you don't know what this is, it's just a high voltage copper connector that was removed from a car with a hybrid battery. It's used in the car to connect the high voltage cells together, and its whole life it's connecting. Connection is baked into the meaning of this. It's the function of this is to connect. And so I liked the idea of stamping a heart in the middle, right there, to signify to stay connected to those you love. It's a symbol. It's a symbol to say, stay connected to what you love and to those you love, because 2020 is a time where I think it's quite easy for people to forget, and we ought to stay connected to what we love, because that is what matters in life. So if you want to get a few, check out the link in the description. We're charging like 10 to 12 bucks right now. I do every single one by hand, or my girlfriend helps me, which is awesome. She's the best. Every single one is polished by me, and the card was designed by me. I printed it at a local print shop, hand cut by me. It's a lot of time. It really is a lot of time, but I think the message is worthy, and I want this message to be kind of out there, and I want these connectors to be out there, and like give them to your friends, give them to people, pass them on. I don't care. It'd be just really cool for these to circulate. So, enough said. We've moved from Etsy to this website. I'm not sure what it is yet, because Etsy suspended the account because I didn't have tracking numbers because I'm shipping with envelopes. Also, they suspended the account because I had too many sales in a short period of time, which means you guys are amazing. You guys bought a lot of them really quickly. So I'm so happy you guys liked these. There's more left, so if anybody else wants to get some, get them now. Have a good night, and say hello to the geckos. Ooh, you got him, buddy. You got him. You got him. Oh, yeah.